Hi there! In 2020 I created a video on how you can install HACS in Home Assistant. It was viewed a lot of times and now the procedure changed a bit, so I decided to create a new video on how to install HACS in 2021. If you want to install extra add-ons in Home Assistant, which are not the official add-ons in Home Assistant, you can use HACS for that. And to install HACS you have to take a couple of steps to do that. The first step is that you make sure that you have SSH access to your Home Assistant server. If you don't have that yet, go and watch my SSH installation video first and then come back to this video. Now we are going to install HACS. For that it's quite easy. You set up an SSH connection and I use the SSH add-on, so I can straightly go to terminal in my Home Assistant environment, and there you type in the following command. Enter. And now I'm going to restart Home Assistant. So let's go to configuration, server controls. I can do a check configuration here and restart. Okay. So Home Assistant is started now and you don't see HACS yet in my menu on the left side. We have to do some extra steps here. To make sure that it works, you have to clear your browser cache first. So let's do that. And now I'm going to configuration, integrations. I'm clicking on the add integration button on the right lower corner. And there I'm going to search for HACS. As you can see, I can find HACS here. And I will install it now. So now HACS is installed and I have to click all these tick boxes. Okay. And then I'm going to submit. Now HACS is providing me with a couple of digits that I have to enter in a GitHub page. So you need to have a GitHub account. If you don't have it, then set it up first. But we are going to go to this link, github.com login/device. And now it's asking me to log in. I already have a username and email address, so I'm going to sign in. And now it's asking me for the code that Home Assistant provides me. So that is 28EA, 28EA, and the other one is 28, and then continue. Authorize HACS, yes I will. And now I can click finish. I can add an area. I'm not going to do that for this. Click finish. And now HACS is there as an integration in Home Assistant and I can use it now. So now I go to options on HACS and I can set some options here, what the left side panel title is, which is HACS. And I can enable all kinds of things here. I'm enabling debug, netdaemon and appdaemon. Experimental features, I'm not going to enable them. So submit this, finish, and now I have to reboot Home Assistant again. Go to configuration, server controls, check configuration, and then restart. Okay. Okay, Home Assistant has started, and as you can see, HACS is back. And if I click on HACS, I'm getting into the Home Assistant community store, which is here, where I can install various integrations or front-end add-ons or automations. So this is how you install HACS. It's more easy than it was in 2020. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to my channel and put on the little bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.